I think for advocacy organizations today to truly be successful, you first have to become an advocate for your people, and then they will become an advocate for you.
We are a national alliance of 80 organizations who share with each other and with us an interest in and a support for Medicare Advantage.
The Better Medicare Alliance was formed really to protect and strengthen that program that actually serves 18 million seniors in the United States.
APCO came with an ingenious solution to help us build out a coalition that would have a unique voice by including beneficiaries along with key stakeholders within the Medicare Advantage space.
Our specific role was to build really this kind of grassroots army that will stand with us and mobilize with us when action is needed. We were able to get upwards of 130,000 seniors into our coalition in about 2 months. The old way of doing things was just blanket everyone with the same message in the same way. You can't really do that anymore.
We developed 6 theoretical personas that seniors might have, and then we used a small advertising buy to go test those assumptions and see if using creative that was tailored to each one of those personas, would seniors engage with them.
But on a real-time basis, we were watching very closely how folks were responding to those ads. So if it wasn't generating the response that we thought it would, we would switch out the creative and we would try something different.
When we put our messaging together, we're trying to make a connection that's really meaningful.
Pretty much as soon as we started advertising to these different personas online, folks immediately started sharing stories with each other. These folks who had never met each other were rallying around a common issue.
The work is to actually not only inform people, educate people, encourage them to tell their stories to each other, but encourage them to tell those stories to policymakers so they understand the impact.
APCO was extremely critical in not only proposing this as far as a new way of approaching coalition building, but then also mapping out how it could be done.
And we've learned over the years how to bring different stakeholders and audiences to the table to ultimately influence an issue that's affecting all of us. I'm really helping to fight for a program that takes care of 18 million seniors in our country, and that's not something that you can do with every account.